Today I want to share my shrimp scampi linguine pasta recipe with you. This recipe comes together in less than 15 minutes, which makes it a great dinner dish for when you just want something quick, tasty, and filling. For the full list of ingredients and measurements, look in the description below the video. First, you are going to want to get the linguine noodles started. Boil some water with salt and toss in the noodles. Don't forget to stir from time to time so the noodles don't stick together. The sauce will come together in about the same time it takes the linguine noodles to become al dente. This just means you're going to cook the pasta, but we still want a bit of a bite to it still. Now get a pan to medium-high heat. Once the pan is heated, you can add in the olive oil and butter. Remember to always add in the olive oil first. This is going to help prevent the butter from burning. Once the butter is melted, you can go ahead and add in your shrimp. You just want to get a little color on the shrimp before adding in the other ingredients. Once there is a little bit of color on the shrimp, which will take approximately a minute or two, then you can add in the garlic, black pepper, and red pepper flakes. You are just going to cook this for about another minute, then you can add in the tomatoes. My version of shrimp scampi has no broth or wines. We're going to use the tomatoes and the starchy pasta water to thicken and bring the sauce together. When you put the tomatoes in, you do not want the heat too high. We want to keep the tomatoes together as much as possible. When you add in the tomatoes, you can also start adding in some pasta water little by little. This is going to help make a sauce. At this point, we're going to remove the shrimp, but we're going to put them back in later. We're doing this because we don't want the shrimp to overcook. If we leave it in for the full amount of cooking time, they're definitely going to become overcooked and rubbery. Add some lemon to the pan and keep moving the pan around to help the tomatoes, the lemon juice, and the starchy pasta water come together to form a sauce. The dish is now almost done. Add in the al dente linguine noodles, put the shrimp back in, and cook for about another minute or two. This is going to finish cooking the noodles, and it will allow the pasta sauce and noodles to combine together. Once it is cooked, add in some parsley for color, serve with Parmesan cheese, and you can serve it with some garlic bread or just a nice crusty piece of bread with butter as well would go great with it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you did, please subscribe for more videos.